Okay guys, this is Dev. Welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to be starting a new series where I'm going to be making my game PotHole Dodger in Godot. Why potholes? Well, the roads in town are pretty bad, so I decided to give people a chance to practice dodging potholes before taking on the real deal. Okay, so now I'm going to create and edit my project. And I finally have my project. So now I loaded in my assets, and I'm just going to put this green square over here. I'm just going to move it around properly with the grid tool so I can line it up nicely in the corner there. Okay, so that's nice and proper now. Okay, so this is the game idea. I'm going to have a car here on the road, and things will be moving, and you're just going to be able to move left and right to dodge anything that comes. Okay, so now I got some code written, and let's see how it goes. Whee! Okay, for real now. So now I got my code working, and you can just like turn the car and it rotates automatically back to its original position. So I got the side moving working right now. Okay, so to get the movement of the vehicle, I have my vehicle being able to move left or right. Okay, but what about forwards? Because technically that's the idea, and then there'll be puddles, you have to dodge. So instead of having my vehicle move forward, I'll just have everything else move down. So they'll move in the opposite direction, making it look like the vehicle is moving forward. I'll just keep spawning in more lines to make it look like you're moving forward. It's going to be a much better way and easier, I think. So let's see if I can implement this right now. Okay, so this is what I have so far. So right now, if you start moving, you get this. So there's a bit of a bug with like the beginning part and acceleration. But after that, it gets like okay. But then, yeah, so you can move to the side and you kind of still slide to the side. There's also another bug where you, if you can see closely, like I'm busy moving to the side slowly. And then I can decelerate if I want to. I go very slow. And if I accelerate again, like sometimes then there's a bit of a delay in the road stripes spawning. Like if I speed up now, there's like nothing coming up now for some reason. So that's one of the bugs, but I think I'm gonna leave it at this for now. And it's got nothing to do with like the it's only gonna be like with the stripes. It's got nothing to do with like the rest of the gameplay. Like if I were to add like my puddles, which I'm gonna do next. So yeah, let's see how my puddles come out. Okay, so I'm gonna go through the steps of me making this pothole. So I drew this pothole in Krita. And yeah, so I drew it in a vector layer, and it's a pretty cool puzzle. I'm going to draw more of these though a bit later. Okay, so I've imported my puzzle now into my project. I'm going to make a 2D area node, and under that I'm going to insert my picture asset of the puzzle. I'm just going to line it up nicely over here. Okay, and then I need to add a collision 2D shape. Okay, so add what is it called again? Yeah, collision. Yes, collision 2D. There we go. Added it. We're just gonna use a nice circle, size it up a bit, and we're gonna just move the picture at the back. Okay, so after moving it, I got it now like this. Okay, so I'm gonna name my stuff. So I'm gonna name it player puzzle. Sorry, it's not the player, it's the puzzle. My PotHole 1 image, and the collision shape, I just called it something like PotHole box, I guess. Yeah, PotHole box. Okay, so there we go, we're gonna have that, and now save it. I'm gonna call it PotHole, just save it. Wait, but I should have moved it into my game interactive objects. That's where I have all my objects that I interact with in that file, and then I have my asset file here. Just close that down. So basically now we have my PotHole. Okay, so I'm gonna start coding my script for the PotHole. So right now I got my loop process function, and I'm gonna need a variable. Okay, let's draw my variable up here. Velocity. Okay, it's just gonna equal to 0.0. Yeah. Now I must set my velocity to equal to the velocity in the autoload thing. So I'm gonna say autoload dot velocity, vert velocity is that one. Okay, and then wait, I shouldn't actually do this. So let me rather connect a signal to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna get a signal. I can't remember how to do this again. Let me go check. I did it with the lines. Where's the line code? Wait, line code. That one. Yes. Okay. So I must write autoload.connect. Autoload.connect. Okay. And then I must say, yeah, vertical velocity, that one. No, I think I'll just write my function name. Is it? I think it's that. Maybe just write that. Velocity change. Still red. Maybe I'll add brackets. No, it's still red. Maybe check again. That one. I must target myself. Okay, so let's just put this in my quotation marks. Why is it making double quotation marks? I just want one quotation mark. Okay, let me write this as self now. And then put my quotation mark here. And then another one at the end. Okay, there we go. Now it's connected. Okay. So now I'm gonna right now I'm like function velocity change. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna code my thing. And I'll just copy and paste my velocity thing so I don't have to call it each time. But yeah, I'm gonna just have a time lapse of me busy coding this. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, so this is what I've gotten so far. I have my potholes, and they're spawning in randomly and random sizes, random turns. I did 2 potholes so far. There you can see a little difference in color. I should probably work on that. Might change the art a bit later for the potholes because they look more like rocks. But I mean, yeah. So then also just need to work on the spawning system so that they don't spawn too much in the beginning and that they spawn a bit faster as time goes by. Currently my reaction time is really bad, but the car is also moving slowly, so I might have to change that. But in any case, so this is what I have. It's still pretty bad when you open it up. There's still this glitch of me going to the side. Yeah, I need to work on this. But I think I'm gonna call it for this month. Hope you guys enjoyed this devlog. I'm not feeling so great today, so I'll probably have to work on it next week, or I'll start with another project before carrying on with this devlog series. Tell me what you think about this game, and I'll see what I can do about it. See you guys later. Subscribe.